Welcome to my toy channel, and today we can open some surprises. We got an envelope pet.
Our cat.
And a squish
Squish delish. Squish delish.
Which one did I open first, a squish delish or a pet? I think a pet.
Cat.
Pull the zipper. I already pulled it. Okay. Here's my clue.
What's the clue?
The clue is fairy tale.
Hold.
Oh, fairy tale.
Okay.
And let's pull it again. My another zipper. I'm so excited what we got, guys. Let's pull it out. And, ooh, I got a dark pink ball. Wait a minute. Where's my sticker? Huh? Oh, here it is. I got a stickers.
Stickers.
And now let's open my next layer. Well, this is very hard. It's hard.
It's hard to open.
Maybe I just ripped it off. Like this. This is how it looks like. And then I don't know what to do. I guess we can rip it off. And I have an idea. Ooh! Wow!
Oh, so many inside.
Yeah. Okay, let's open my first one. See what we got. I think it's hard to open this. I got this bottle.
Oh, you have already this bottle.
I don't know. Because I don't have it. This is my first time opening. This is my bottle. Let's open the next one. This is such a big. I got a bunny ears. Oh, I mean, a headband. Ooh.
Headband.
Let's open my next one. Wow, this is our. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, ah! I fixed it. Okay. Here's my pooper scooper, the bunny one. I opened my sandbox. Let's see what we got. See? Got in the sandbox. Ooh!
Is that the powder?
No, this is a sand. See what we gonna find. I got a little cup. Ooh, I got a coffee cup. Okay, this is what it looked like, a coffee cup. And I just ripped it off, all of these sand. I got a bunny. A cup. Let's see what else I can find. I think there's no more.
Only one.
I just set that right there. Let's open my pack. See what we got.
Wow!
Guys, I have her.
That's very cute.
Guys, I have this doll. I don't have. I have her little people, the LOL Surprise. And this is the pet, and I have a big sister one. I have her big sister. This is what look like we can take. We got Cotton Tail Cutie. that's it for our video. I think I stay tuned. I'll open the squish. Delish. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.